So this is the continuation of the previous video. In the case of 200 Newton, no perpendicular distance in between 200 Newton to O. So expression is torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. So torque equal to 200 into 0. Anything is multiplied with 0, answer is 0. Then what is our question? Find out the resultant torque. That is our question. So the resultant torque. The first torque is negative 120. Second torque is positive 20. Third torque is positive 240. And last torque is minus 250. All these negative signs are denoted by clockwise and positive sign is denoted by anti-clockwise. So you can do you can get the answer 110 Newton meter with the sign of negative. So in the sign of negative means the direction is clockwise. So this is the final answer of the question number 2. Then question number 3. On a seesaw, two children of masses 30 kg and 60 kg are sitting on one side of it at the distance 2 meter and 2.5 meter respectively from the center of the seesaw. Find the distance at which a man of mass 75 kg should sit on the other side to balance the seesaw. So what is the theory based on the question? Principle of moment, W1 L1 equal to W2 L2. What is the expression of principle of moment? Sum of clockwise moment equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. Okay. From the given question, we should try to draw the diagram. So this is a seesaw. You already know the seesaw have a fixed point at the center. That fixed point is called as fulcrum. Okay. What is the another given data? On a seesaw, two children of masses 30 kg and 60 kg are sitting on one side of it. So that means the same side, two children are sitting there. One child have weight is 30, another one is 60 kg. Distance from the fixed point. You should remember all the distance we should take from the fulcrum. So in the case of 30 kg, from the fulcrum distance is 2 meter and the second one is distance is 2.5 meter. Then another given data of the question. The man of mass 75 kg should sit on the other side of the seesaw to balance it. So the other side, the 75 kg weight is here. Distance we don't know. And which distance the seesaw should be balanced. So we want to find out the distance between fulcrum to this weight 75 kg. Okay, I hope you can understand the diagram well. This is a seesaw. Each and every seesaw have a fulcrum. The distance, all the distance we should consider from the fixed point. Okay, we already know torque equal to force into perpendicular distance. The first torque 30 kg is the weight, distance is 2 meter. 30 kg, distance 2 meter. So that means 30 kg into 2 meter, answer is 60 Newton meter. Maybe you have a doubt, kg into meter, then why I should write Newton meter? Kg, that means W equal to mass into gravity. Mass weight is kilogram or gram. G for acceleration due to gravity. So that's the reason weight, the unit of weight is Newton. Acceleration due to gravity is present in everywhere. That's why. Then torque 2 based on 60 kg. So 60 into distance is 2.5 meter. So 60 into 2.5 meter, 150 Newton meter. In the two cases, 30 kg is moving like that. This is clockwise direction. Similarly, 60 kg is also moving the same direction. That means clockwise direction. So in the case of 60 and 30, both are in clockwise direction. But in this 75 kg, that is the movement is like that. That means anti-clockwise. So this is clockwise. This is clockwise. And this one is anti-clockwise. So you already know this 30 kg and 60 kg both are in clockwise direction, that means sign is negative. In the case of 75 kg, torque equal to force into perpendicular distance, torque equal to 75 kg into perpendicular distance. We don't know what is the distance, that is our question. The principle of moment. Sum of clockwise moment equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. What are the clockwise moments is here? 60 and 150. And anti-clockwise moment 75 into perpendicular distance. So 60 plus 150, that is 210 minus 210, because minus 60 plus minus 150, answer is minus 210 equal to 75 into perpendicular distance. What is the meaning of this negative? Clockwise. So I am just specify clockwise, so no necessary to write the negative. 210 clockwise equal to 75 into perpendicular distance. What is perpendicular distance? 210 is a torque, so unit is Newton meter, divided by 75 is a force, that means Newton. Simplify this one, 42 by 15, then simplify this 42 by 50, you should get the answer 2.8 meter. That is the perpendicular distance. Okay, this is the question number 3. Then question number 4. A uniform meter scale rests horizontally on a knife edge at the 60 centimeter mark. When a mass of 10 gram is suspended from one end, at which end this mass be suspended? At what is the mass of the meter scale? Okay, the theory based on the question, principle of moment. Sum of clockwise moment equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. The question is specify that uniform meter scale. So this is the uniform meter scale. It contains measurements are like that, starting with 0 centimeter to 100 centimeter. 0 to 100, that the middle portion is 50 centimeter, that is weight of the meter scale. Another given data, at the fixed point, that means the knife edge at the 60 centimeter mark. So 50 centimeter contain weight of the meter scale. Where is the fixed point of the meter scale in this case? That is 60 centimeter, that is our fulcrum. Then the 10 gram mass is suspended from one end. Okay, so we have to consider a 10 gram suspended at one end. So I'm just consider already weight is here in the 50 centimeter, 60 centimeter is the fulcrum. Consideration of this fulcrum, one end already a weight is here. That's the reason the 10 gram I just put it into another end, that means 100 centimeter. Okay, maybe you have a doubt why I cannot consider this 0 centimeter. Reason is that it is already horizontally balanced and rest. The fulcrum is at 60 centimeter. One of the weight is already in the 50 centimeter. So we should balance this fulcrum. That's the reason we should consider the 100 centimeter side. I am just putting this 100 gram weight. So distance from the 60 to 100, that is 40. And the 50 centimeter contain weight of the meter scale. Distance between them is 10, because there are 60 and in this point is 50. Distance between them is 10. Find out the weight of this meter scale. So based on the theory, torque equal to force into perpendicular distance, and sum of clockwise moment equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. Weight into distance between them is 10 equal to another given weight is 10 into distance between them is 40. So W equal to 10 into 40 divided by 10, answer is 40 gram. That is the weight of the meter scale. Okay. Then question number 5. A uniform meter scale of mass 80 gram is to be balanced at the 70 centimeter mark. Find from where must a mass of 60 gram be suspended to do so. So this is the given data, uniform meter scale. The previous question also I just explain you. Uniform meter scale means starting from 0 centimeter ending with 100 centimeter. At the center 50 centimeter is contain its own weight. In this case, it is a uniform meter scale and it's contained fulcrum at 50 centimeter. and the mass of 80 gram is to be balanced at the 70 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter, 60, 70. At the point of 70 centimeter, 80 gram weight is hanging. Okay. Find from where must be a mass of 60 gram be suspended to do. I have a one more mass, that is 60 gram, and where is the point we should place the 60 gram, that is the question. So 80 gram in the 70. So that distance is from the fulcrum is 20. Another mass is given. So distance between them, that is our question. So sum of clockwise moment equal to sum of anti-clockwise moment. 80 into 20 equal to 60 into L. That length is our question. That means L equal to 80 into 20 divided by 60. Simplify this expression, you should get the answer 26.66 centimeter. Okay, I hope you can understand this one. Thank you.